In this project, we're going to make an interactive space story. We'll build a rocket that blasts off from Earth, travels through space, and lands on Saturn. You'll learn how to make things move in order, change sizes, and tell your own space adventure using code. Remember to save your project as Spaceship by your name before we start. Let's first look at what the finished game will do. In this game, your rocket starts on Earth, blasts off into space, and tries to reach Saturn. Along the way, you'll need to avoid obstacles like Earth and Saturn. The rocket will keep moving upward automatically, but you can tap it to move down and dodge these obstacles. When you reach the end, there is a space explosion and a message that says "The End." Now let's make the game. This project will have 2 pages. Tap the plus button on the right side once, so you have 2 pages. Then remove the default character on each page. Press and hold it, and tap the red X button when it appears. Let's begin with the background for page 1. Since we're in space, we'll make it black. Tap the background button, then tap the paintbrush tool at the top. Select the paint bucket, choose black at the bottom, and tap anywhere on the canvas to fill it. Draw in some stars as well with white or yellow. When you're done, tap the check mark at the top. Now go to page 2. This will be our "The End" page. Tap the background button again. Then tap the paintbrush. Use the paint bucket to make it black again. Next, we'll draw an explosion using the line tool on the right. Use red, orange, and yellow to make it look fiery. When you're happy with it, tap the check mark. Add text by tapping the ABC Add Text button. And type "The End." You can change its size and color if you like. Now go back to page 1, the black space screen where the story begins. Let's add our characters, a rocket, Earth, and Saturn. Tap the plus button on the left side and select the rocket. Then tap the check mark. Do the same to add Saturn and Earth. Let's position them. Put the rocket in the middle at the bottom. Place Earth on the right side near the middle. Put Saturn at the top left corner. Now we'll make the rocket shrink when the story starts. In the rocket's coding area, tap the yellow button and drag the green flag block. Then tap the purple button and drag the shrink block. Change the number under the shrink block to 6. We want Earth and Saturn to shrink the same way. A shortcut is to copy the rocket's code by dragging that line of code to Earth and Saturn's panels on this left side. Now make sure you're still in the rocket's code area. Add a new green flag block. Tap the blue arrow button and drag the up arrow block. Then tap the red button and drag the repeat forever block. This will make the rocket keep moving up. Next, make that rocket go down when it's tapped. Tap the yellow button, drag the start on tap block, then add a down arrow block. We also want it to go to the End page if it hits Saturn or Earth. Add a start on bump block and a go to page 2 block. Now go to Earth's code area. Tap the yellow button and drag the green flag block. Tap the blue arrow button and drag the left arrow block. Tap the red button and drag the repeat forever block. This makes the Earth move to the left forever. Now go to the Saturn's code area. Tap the yellow button and drag the green flag block. Tap the blue arrow button and drag the right arrow block. And make sure that there's a red button, the repeat forever block. This makes Saturn move to the right forever. The goal of the game is to avoid Saturn and Earth as obstacles. The rocket will keep moving upward on its own, but you can tap it to move down and dodge them. Now we're done coding. Tap full screen and play the game by pressing the green flag. Nice work! You just made a space adventure story using block coding. Now try to make it even better. You could add more obstacles like different planets or aliens, and make them spin, turn, and move in all sorts of crazy directions instead of just going left to right.